Good evening. Here's a rundown of stocks I will be paying close attention to in the coming week's trading session. That is this week's trading session. We can say this week because today is Sunday and then the new trading week starts on Monday, the 16th of February. That trading week runs from Monday the 16th to Friday the 20th. Criteria for the watch list, technical reasons, highs, lows, range trading, as well as large volumes traded. That's an indicator of key investor exiting or entering, or sometimes even an institutional investor entering or exiting a stock. Corporate actions are also a criteria for including stocks on my watch list. Corporate actions are any announcements made by a firm. Any announcement can move a stock price either up or down. So there are corporate actions that are announced, and there are corporate actions you are expecting, such as earnings and all. Starting with the all share index, last week was a historic week. The all share index at a closed at an all-time high of what you can see here is 182,313 points. This, as you can see, it's I mean 2025 has been an especially 2026 has been such an early year. We are just in the second month, but you can see that spike, and I just thought to go through this just so you can see how that index has done in the last few years. You can see clearly speaking, as since 2023, we've been on upward trajectory. 2024 dipped a bit, 2025 started to pull up a bit, and we've been on a run since then. Obviously, not in a straight line. You have your ups and downs, you have your consolidation, like you can see that happened between sometime in 2024 and 2025. So clearly, then you also have the red years, COVID years, 2020, 2021, and then 2018, I think, was a recession. So just this just shows you that the all share index, which measures the average performance of stocks, is at an all-time high. So the question is, are we going to go further this week? Are we going to pull back, or are we going to consolidate? I would have to wait and see tomorrow's session. That is the all share index, which closed at an all-time high. Guinness Nigeria is next. Audited full year 2025 numbers should be out anytime from now. A board meeting was held last week. We are yet to get any feedback, post board meeting resolutions or notice yet to be announced. A shift in meetings yet to be announced. So one can safely assume that the board met, and we should get those details anytime from now. Presco, Komu, GTCO, Nestle Nigeria, Seplat, MTN Nigeria, all trading at all-time highs. So we continue to watch them. How high will these firms go? And then you have what at 52-week highs: Zenith Bank, Wema Bank, Unilever, Nascon, Dangote Sugar, PZ, Cousins, Nigeria, WAPCO, Bua Cement, Dangote Cement, Aradel, NACO, Julius Berger, Henges Group, and Sky Aviation, all trading at 52-week highs. And please take a moment to like, to share, to subscribe. As always, it's important to state that this is not investment or trading or personal finance advice. Will there be profit taking from last week's top gainers? I would have to wait and see. I think some form of profit taking should happen for the likes of Dark Communications. Union Daikon, we should see some form of profit taking. Red Star Express too. I think the stock is trading. I mean, you've done what? 42.5% in a week. Surely we should see this stock dip a bit. CAP, I guess, would range trade for a while. CAP is also my view this week. As you can see, the stock crossed the 100 naira mark, closing at 109, joining the 100 naira club, which is a major achievement. For the losers, led by Abbey Mortgage Bank, the question is, will the dip continue, or are we going to see some form of consolidation happening? So that's what would have to watch and see. For more content, check out the site greentickettales.com. Check out the podcast, Green Ticket Tales Podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and YouTube Music. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. See you in the space. We'll have a space by 6:30 p.m. Nigerian time. Come on, we discuss some of these stocks in greater detail and just generally talk about what to expect. Myself, Crypto Senko, Charles, I would all be on the space. So 6:30 p.m. Nigerian time, that's West Africa time, at the Green Ticket Tail on Twitter. You'd find space live and on. See you then.